Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Destiny 2 application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and in the search box type in Destiny 2. Soon after you do that, look for this application that says Destiny 2 Companion and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Go ahead and log in using your Face ID or your Apple ID with the password and your game download should begin. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, which will only take a few minutes. And once it's completed, launch the app open and get started with the game. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.